Nĩ kurugurio kwa uthurimi wa mahuthiro ma mbeca thirikari-ini ya kaunti ya Kiambu. Kurumira uthurimi uyu, thirikari ya kaunti ino niyugite ndigukorwo ikiriha mathiri maria kuratuika mekuo na maria makinyite makiria wa mbirioni imwe nginyagia mathurimwo uria kwagiriire. Akiaria hindi ya igongona riri, ngavana Ferdinard Waititu niugite uthurimi uyu niguo guteithia hari kumenya mathiri maria mama na oho gutwithania kana wira uria waheanitwo ni warutirwo na njira igwete.
We are in the process of auditing them. I have instructed all the CCs to audit all the pending bills in their departments with a view of identifying which ones are genuine and which ones are fake. So very soon we are going to give a report on the pending bills, but right now we are only going to pay the projects that are ongoing, the projects that we can see with our eyes.
O ni ugite uthurimi uyu ni uguteithia hari kunyihia garama ya mishara iria thirikari ya kaunti ino ethiete na mbere na kuhuthira iguru ria gukorwo ho kwa aruti a wira matoekaine.
We know that is a serious problem, honestly, because we cannot just concentrate on paying a whole 1 billion at the expense of the promises we made to our people.
Mwena-ini wake Rose Macharia uria ni commissioner umwe wa aria maratongoria uthurimi uyu ni ugite ni megutigira ni mahurana turia ni me thirikari-ini ino.
They will be escalated to the wing that deals with enforcement. They will look at those criminal elements, and of course they will handle them as is required by law.
Uthurimi uyu ukite riri thirikari cia kaunti itiganite iratabanio uthurimi wa uria mbeca irahuthiritwo ni thirikari cia kaunti icio cia hau kabere. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita Kamau wa Mwangi.